How are we doing today? Look at that view. Hold on, let me pull this up a little bit. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Now let's talk about how we got to this view. Got to this view by taking some trades today, and let's talk about it. I'm unfortunately doing my trade recap later on in the day because I was traveling all day, as you can tell by the background. But let's talk about today's trades. So I can't really show my executions, but I have the live recording. Maybe I'll pull it up. I don't know. I record all my live trading sessions. I post them to my inner circle members. Let's talk about it. So first things first, right here, we were moving sideways during the pre-market. So if you look in the 5 minute, 15 minute, all that good stuff, we have just been literally moving sideways the entire time. I had said that I wanted it to break out in one direction and continue moving towards that direction. Okay, so let's talk about this trade right here. Market opened bearish immediately, and we had formed a 3 minute inverse fair value gap right here. You see this IFG right here that I have marked out. 3 minute inverse right there. You could have taken your entry right there. And we also had an SMT at these higher time frames. Let me show you guys real quick. So boom, I market open. SMT externally with Asia highs up here. Boom, boom. And then SMT number 2, or rather the same SMT. Boom. Oh, I fucked it up. I don't care. I'm just going to do this. Boom. Boom. It's all the way up here. But you guys, I could pretty much put it here, and it's the same shit. Basically, we have a high time from SMT. We also had, I'm pretty sure, an internal SMT, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we did. We had this high at 929 taken, as well as the same one on ES. Oh shit, I fucked that up. Oopsie doopsies. This and that's boom and boom. Okay, cool. Then we had this 3 minute inverse, right? Price wicked up, taps into midnight open, continue moving down. Now, I didn't take this trade for the sole reason that I wasn't caffeinated, which sucks because I saw it, I pointed it out, and a bunch of my students took it. But it is what it is. You can't complain. Let's talk about the next two trades that I was able to catch that I actually executed on. I will mark out this SMT to continue moving lower. However, um, I wasn't looking for a short for the sole reason that we were taking out so many prominent draws. We took London lows, New York, previously New York lows, and midnight open. I was anticipating a reversal, so I had to set up ready for a long, waited for an inverse, which we got right here, and we had um right here a 1 minute SMT. So we take this guy. We also had another external SMT, so boom and boom, just like that, and then right here, boom and boom. That's the 1 minute internal SMT. And we had an external SMT as well. So it was SMT for longs, right? Because we had all these lows taken. But if you go over to the higher time frame on NQ, we had an SMT somewhere externally. I don't really even fucking remember where, dude. I think it was this, yeah. This low right here. Some bullshit like that. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I'm way too tired to be backtesting SMTs right now. If you guys were trading this morning, you would have seen it. But we had that 1 minute, and unfortunately, I did break even because I took a break even once we hit this internal high, and then immediately got break even. After that, we were okay. Well, my boy just pulled up. Look at this fucking ugly ass fucking. Okay, he's just notifying me of very important information. He has just identified that he's a homosexual. Okay, after that, I wanted to test a short right here. We had another 1 minute that got inverse right here that I also did take. This is the trade that I actually took just because we had continuation to move lower. I was expecting this draw to get taken, which it did. However, this is what happened. We took internal lows on ES, and it got immediately break even, which sucks. But it would have hit take profit if I just stayed in the trade. But I break even my trades on purpose for the sole reason that it manages and mitigates my risk properly. After that, I'm pretty sure we just continued dumping lower. Yeah, you definitely could have caught an easy continuation, but I just decided to get off the charts after suffocating this missed out trade. 2.38R. Unfortunate. I mean, it happens. You can't control everything. And that was my trade recap on the day. I mean, it's a pretty simple day, and we had a lot of SMTs, and I'm honestly too tired to be going through every single one of them. But no, it wasn't bad. Anyways, I got things to get to, and I'll be on the charts again tomorrow.